So I don't know how we got here, but we're in freaking Disney World. So we just decided to go to Disney 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, we're gonna stay at where? Also music. Yeah, we're getting dressed.
Okay, let's go get ready. Did you know it's illegal to pump your own gas in New Jersey? Cause I didn't.
I didn't either. Now.
I literally just drove 2.5 hours. I've never driven to Disney before. So yeah, now we're literally at Hollywood Studios. First things first, we are starving. So we're gonna go over to Docking Bay and have a little lunch.
I'm a little child. I got chicken fingers and mac and cheese.
I also got a kid's meal because I can't eat what I want to eat because I have to get a colonoscopy this week, so my diet is a little limited.
I'm actually really excited to eat this broccoli more than anything. Greens.
Eat your vegetables. Cheers. We're starting off at my fave. Yay! Chair. We flashed a U for the picture, as per usual. And now we're gonna go over to Star Tours. I still am in complete disbelief that we're here.
I know.
What? So the kids meal did not do, and I was still hungry. So I just picked up a Wookiee cookie. I'm so excited. These are so good. I was between getting this and the carrot cake cookie, but the Wookiee cookie was calling today. The gang is here. We're just missing Ava, but she'll be here soon.
And it's about to pour.
It is about to rain, so we're running to Smuggler's Run. I'm excited.
Crash?
We're gonna crash the Falcon.
Gonna crash.
Oh no! Oh no!
And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews.
Are you ready?
You go, may the force be with you.
Woo!
Yes, yes, keep shooting. We did not die. Let's get out of here. Hey, not bad.
That was pretty bad actually.
That was actually horrible. You did like a W.
So we just had a small crisis with Catherine's sunglasses.
They broke. We did a mini photo shoot,
But
and I fixed them.
we had another little one. We are gonna go over to Toy Story Mania now. Who do we think is gonna do the best on Toy Story Mania?
Duh.
Yeah,
I think I have the best track
last
record.
time.
You did, but I have a better track record. So
We'll see.
like 5.
Oh, I thought I grabbed 3. My bad. Oh my god, I did grab a lot. Okay. Guess who got best in vehicle? What did we think?
I thought it was so good.
It was really good.
I got
goosies. I know. It was like, yeah.
Like, oh, it looked so good.
Look, I was doing the same thing with my pants now.
Oh no!
We just met Donald, and it was so cute. He was like hopping in the puddles, and
It was so cute. And then we made it right on time for the little meet and greet.
yes. So, okay, time to go find Ava. We got coffee, and I'm so excited. This is Valen's method of mixing the cold brew.
So,
Okay. Okay.
That creamer's mixed in. It's overflowing, so you're gonna have to sip some. Like we're considering taking it off. The more you mix, the better it is, I think.
We look so goofy.
Doing all the tricks.
I hope you realize I'm zooming in on your face.
Oh, it's actually really
Like,
cute.
I'm zooming in on your face. We are gonna go back to Smuggler's Run because there's 6 of us, which means
We have to get it.
we are gonna try to get chewie
The
mode.
YouTube video right now.
Yeah, we're gonna look up the tutorial. Do you want to say hi? Oh, she's nervous. Are you ready? Guys, we got this!
Come on, bags off. Don't press any buttons just yet.
Did we do it? We got chewie balls! This is like a life school right here. Oh, guys, he's disappointed. Oh no, we got 28. We did it! This is like a big deal. We've been trying to do this for so long. I like chewie mode better because it's like it feels like you're actually doing it on your own. Because like with Hondo, it's like he's telling you to do everything, but it's like with chewie mode, you like kind of have to know what to do. Yeah. So it's fun because you're just like doing your thing. Yeah. It's fun. I like it. Crazy. We're going on Star Tours!
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out.
We got captured! Oh no!
They're saying this word called
I don't even know.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
It's raining again.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. So, I feel like the music is really loud.
There you go.
Okay.
So, we are done at Hollywood for the night. We're gonna go, I think, get beignets. Hello. We just got to All Star Music, which is where we're staying. And we stayed here last time and we got so lost trying to find a room. But I think we actually got it done this time.